Hey, Charlie, Lucy, and Alex. Are you ready to explore the ocean and find the ocean temple?
Yes. Let's dive in and discover its secrets.
Wow! Dolphins, fish, and a coral reef. The ocean is beautiful.
Wait. Do you hear that sound? The underwater mobs are coming.
Let's fight them.
Nice job, guys. Look. There are many shells and a trident. Let's grab them.
Yeah, but it's too hard to see and breathe underwater. We need a plan.
Wait, we have got shells. We can build a conduit if we get the heart of the sea.
Great idea. We can find it in the ocean ruins.
Let's follow the dolphins. They will show us the way.
There it is.
Look, a chest. Let's open it.
Cool. It has the heart of the sea.
Awesome. We did it. The conduit is ready. Now we can see clearly and breathe underwater.
The mobs are gone. We're safe now, and the ocean looks even more amazing.
Look, I can see the ocean temple far away.
Wow, what do you think is inside? Treasure? Something secret? Let's get ready. Our big adventure is just starting.